Hello and welcome to my brand new series, Cocktails in Haunted Hotels. Today we're walking in beautiful New Orleans to the legendary Hotel Monteleone, a historic hotel that's famous not only for its elegant Carousel Bar, but also for its ghost stories. Will we spot a spirit in the mirrors, or just enjoy incredible cocktails? Let's grab a drink and come walk with Faye. Welcome to New Orleans. Today is the perfect day for a walk through the French Quarter to one of the city's most iconic landmarks, the historic Hotel Monteleone. This has been on my bucket list for years. I've always wanted to experience the famous Carousel Bar. Then I discovered the hotel also has a reputation as one of the most haunted hotels in New Orleans. So today, we're doing both. The Hotel Monteleone first opened in 1886 and has remained family-owned for generations. Located in the heart of the French Quarter, it has welcomed countless famous guests including Ernest Hemingway and Tennessee Williams. But beyond its history, many believe some guests have never checked out. But before we dive into the ghost stories, let's grab a cocktail. People were already lining up before opening, and no, this isn't fast motion. I'm actually running to a seat. Thankfully, everything worked out, and I found the perfect place right at the bar. The Carousel Bar is exactly what it sounds like. The entire bar slowly rotates like a carousel, making one complete revolution about every 15 minutes. It feels like stepping into another era. Alright, my first cocktail. Since it's still breakfast here in New Orleans, I'm starting with an espresso martini. Watching the bartender craft each cocktail is part of the experience. The rich espresso, the creamy foam, the perfect presentation. And all the while, the carousel changes and slowly turns beneath you. It's storytelling through cocktails. The details inside the bar are incredible. Beautiful woodwork, golden lights, circus-inspired charm, and wonderful conversations with people from all over the world. Even the outer seating has its own New Orleans elegance. I enjoy watching the bar turn, but we're really here for the ghosts. According to local legend, Hotel Monteleone is home to several friendly spirits. Perhaps the most famous is Antonio Monteleone, one of the hotel's early owners. Guests and employees have reported seeing an older gentleman quietly observing the lobby or sitting near the Carousel Bar before mysteriously disappearing. Have you ever seen anything unusual here? Did you see Antonio staring at you in the mirror? Let me know in the comments. Another well-known story involves a young boy who is said to wander the upper guest floors. Visitors have reported hearing the sound of laughter of a child, footsteps in empty hallways, and seeing a young boy who vanishes almost as quickly as he appears. One of the hotel's most touching ghost stories belongs to a little boy named Maurice Begere. Maurice was young when he became ill staying at the hotel with his family in the 1880s. Sadly, he passed away before his parents returned to their room. Since then, guests have reported seeing a small boy on the upper floors, sometimes standing quietly at the foot of a bed, often disappearing down the hallways as quickly as he appeared. The hotel also skips the number 13, so what appears to be the 14th floor is often connected to many of these stories. Some guests have reported doors opening on their own, unexplained voices, and the feeling that someone is watching them. Today, everything seems perfectly peaceful, at least for me. Back at the carousel, I'm enjoying my second cocktail. Actually, a kind gentleman bought this one for me after I offered my seat to his wife. It was her birthday. Now that's Southern hospitality. It's moments like these that make New Orleans so unforgettable. The carousel keeps turning, people come and go, stories are shared, and I let time just slow down. Well, although hardly anyone was eating at the bar, I decided to order a shrimp cocktail. It wasn't the star of the show, the cocktails definitely were, but it made a perfect excuse to stay a little longer and soak in the atmosphere. I keep listening to all the stories and let the room spin slowly around me. Final thoughts? Well, the Hotel Monteleone absolutely lived up to every expectation. Beautiful cocktails, wonderful bartenders, friendly people, and a rich history. And just enough ghost stories to keep your imagination wandering, whether you believe in spirits or not. The Carousel Bar is one of New Orleans' most unforgettable experiences. I highly recommend adding it to your bucket list. Thank you so much for joining me for the very first episode of Cocktails in Haunted Hotels. Until next time, may your cocktails be delicious, may your ghosts stay friendly, and may every haunted hotel have another story waiting to be told. Thank you for watching and walking. And until our next haunted adventure, see you real soon. Ciao.